Hey, it's Mikey Mike. That's right. We are trying to get in and out of our spa without killing myself. This is the technique I came up with. My brother helped me with getting my little giant ladder straddling the spa. We tried a couple different configurations, but this seemed to work the best. I tied a little rope on there for some pulls, and yeah, it's a pretty deep spa, and the steps are pretty tall. So I'm trying to make sure my knees are working here, kind of get a little bend and squat and lift. Yeah, bilateral knee replacement is no fun, guys, I'm telling you. But my scars are healed up, and I wanted to get in the spa, so here we go. So you can see I'm going to try to use the cane to get down to the next step, and you can see how far down it is. And it's way down there. So that's not going to work. So I'm kind of working through it and saying, okay, how do I do this? So we're going to bail the cane idea, and we're going to I'm just going to like reverse press hang from the little giant, and little giant's rated for well over 300 pounds, so I'm good there, and nice and stable. Got rubber feet, it's not sliding anywhere, and I slide down to the first step, and then I just kind of slide myself off the first step to the bottom of the spa, which I can see the bottom, and make the transition. Worked out really well. So if you're going to try this, make sure you have good upper body strength and you can handle that. There's my step. It's a really tall step, and yeah, it makes it a little tricky. So it looks like a little torture chamber up there, or somebody said looks like something from 50 Shades of Grey, but that was funny. But here I go. I'm going to slide back up to the top step, and then use the ropes to pull myself up to the upper area, and then make sure my knees are working to get me to the next position. And I can't press myself up from here with my knees, so make sure my hands are dry. I don't want to slide off the ladder. And then pull, and just take it easy. I've got my head in between the ladder rungs here, and then I just work myself around the ladder rungs. And be careful you don't hang yourself in the ropes. That would not be good. So yeah, a little tricky there. And then I had the cane hanging on one of the rungs of the ladder, and I'm going to use that to make the transition over. So use all your resources that you can, and this is the way I did it. So it might give you some ideas on how you can maneuver around your house or anywhere you might need to do. These little giants are pretty maneuverable, so it might work out for you. So all right, so this is Mikey Mike. Hopefully it helps. All right, guys, peace.